very happy to be over here with all of you, especially because the property is so very beautiful. One person, one life, one deed that matters to go ahead and bring about a difference. Beta, if the turtle could speak, he would tell you that this lady here is bringing about all the difference in the world. Start with a small story. I'm very fond of jogging, and there was a phase when I was regularly jogging in RA. It's one of the most lush green areas in Mumbai. And every day I would see an old lady sitting by the bench with a silver cage by her side. One day I was really intrigued. I walked up closer to her and I saw that in the silver cage there were 3 turtles. 3 turtles inside the cage and one on her lap. I asked her, I was like, what are you really doing over here with the turtles? She told me that she's cleaning their back for algae, because the algae that deposits on their shell cannot let them produce enough and more heat, and also erodes their shell over a period of time. I said, wow, that's a very good deed. She said, yes, I really like coming over here, sitting, doing this. I feel like I'm bringing about a difference by doing this. And I was like, you do realize that there are so many turtles in this world who are living with algae on their shells, and there's nobody to clean that, and whatever you're doing is really not going to bring about the major difference that you're thinking about. The old lady just looked at me, she smiled, and she said, Beta, if the turtle could speak, he would tell you that this lady here is bringing about all the difference in the world. So the reason why I chose this story to start off with is because I noticed that we are a very intimate small group over here for this conference. This is the second year of ACI South Asia Converge 2024. We met last in 2022. It's a very intimate gathering, and you might feel like, every single thing that you're saying over here or you're speaking over here might not have a larger impact, but it is one person, one life, one deed that matters to go ahead and bring about a difference. So once again, everybody, good afternoon. How's everyone doing over here? Nice. I like the warmth, and trust me, I need a lot of warmth and feeling so very cold. My name is Madiha Khan. I'm an anchor, I'm a journalist, I'm an author, although there's a lot more work as an author that I'm yet to do. But I am very happy to be over here with all of you, especially because the property is so very beautiful. And what is even more beautiful than the property is your schedule for the next 2 days. There are so many things that are planned to make sure that we nurture each other's confidence, and we take each other through every single step that we know and explain it to each other, foster more and more networking over here. So once again, officially, I welcome all of you to ACI South Asia Converge 2024. You all are gathered over here. This is your very first day, and I'm going to quickly go ahead and take you all through the agenda. As you all know, that this year, the theme is about the future of payments in South Asia, embracing the change and the innovation. As you all know already, that we have speakers who are coming from international locations over here to address all of you. We have our ACI experts who are traveling from Dubai, and he is going to take us through setting the standards in modern payments. We also have an ACI speaker who's come in from Brazil. He's going to talk about reimagining payments intelligence. We'll go ahead with a break, and then we will see ACI partners who will talk about joint solutions enabling innovation jointly with ACI in the region. ACI Worldwide, the leader in real-time payment, providing software solution to banks, merchants and billers. Today I'm here in Alibag hosting the conference for ACI Worldwide, where the top banks from across South Asia are present. Let me take you through this conference. As you all can see, that your tables have received the much needed dash of color already. This means that this is the time for all of you all to have some fun and games, and also a lot of learning. So without much further ado, I'm going to call on stage Mrunal Shah from Sunday Bricks. Please give him a very warm welcome with a huge round of applause.
You've got to use the smaller bricks, okay? Not the bigger blocks. So you've got to use the smaller bricks.
तो फोन ही आ गया सनी देओल का। Okay, use it, okay. तो डर जाता है सनी देओल का कॉल आता था ना।